What's going on, everyone? Have you been thinking about or looking at any of the Amazon devices like the Echo or the Echo Dot? Today we have the Echo Dot that we're going to be unboxing. So go ahead and stick around after this amazing intro. Welcome to my channel, Easy Choice Reviews, where I do the tech reviews to help give you an easy choice. This week we're going to be unboxing the Echo Dot. I will let you know that I have kind of an unbiased opinion on this so far. I know Amazon and Google have both been out for a very long time, the Google Home and the Alexa, but I use a lot of Google products. I'm an Android user. I have Google Calendar, Google Mail, that kind of stuff. So I've been real hesitant on going with Alexa just because I don't know how the integration's going to go yet. I also have been undecided whether I should get the Echo or the Google Home. Go ahead and let me know what you guys' opinions are. I will likely be purchasing both, but today we do have the Echo Dot that we're going to start off with, and we're going to do the unboxing today. So let's get started.
Alright, let's get started here. Like I said, I'm super excited to try this because I've been waiting for so long. I know that most people have already done this, but I, like I said, was unsure. I still am of which way to go for Amazon or Google, so I figured I'm going to try both. Starting out with the Amazon. And we'll start with the Amazon Dot. I may even get the Amazon Echo. Here it is. The Dot is just a puck, so pretty small. I think the speakers come out of the bottom here. You've got a microphone. Let's see here. I think you gotta take the whole thing off. So you got a microphone in the middle. You can shut the microphone off. I think this is power and then this is volume. We've got a cord. Actually is quite a bit longer than what you would normally get, which is nice. It's a micro USB to USB-A. A little quick getting started guide. And a power plug. So there you have it. We'll get it connected and see what we can do with it.
Well, there you have it. There's the unboxing of the Amazon Echo Dot. Pretty cool little device. On the back here, you've got your micro USB port. You've also got a line out. So this is kind of handy because this isn't the full-blown Echo or the Echo Plus, I believe it is, the bigger one that has bass to it. This can be pretty handy. You can output this to a set of speakers, your home theater system. You got options there. So that's kind of cool. I might have to try that. I know that these little ones are supposed to be for like rooms and things like that, but I could definitely see you using that for in your living room if you've got a home theater system or something like that. I like this bottom. It's like a rubbery texture. It's got a good grip to it, so it won't really kind of like move around. Looks like that's pretty solid. So what we're gonna have to do, we have to plug this in and download the app on our phone. I think we have to sign in with our account and then turn everything on and go from there. So we'll go ahead and get that set up and let you guys know. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you a little bonus here. The unboxing that we just did was, I found out, for the second version of the Dot. So I went ahead and returned that, and we've got the latest, the version 3. and we'll go ahead and do that unboxing real quick. Not going to get all elaborate since we already went through the two. Do want to do quick unboxing just to show you here. It seems a little bit bigger than the second version. First glance here, it's a little more rounded on all the edges, which is pretty nice. I actually like this one quite a bit better. Aesthetic wise, it looks like it'll go nice, you know, on a desk like this. It still has that nice rubber texture there on the bottom to grip with. So all in all, I kind of actually like this third version better. So we'll go ahead and take a look here. Looks like we've just got our little setup docks and the power plug. This one is not just the USB. This one actually looks like it's hardwired into the actual plug, and then we just have a round plug-in for it. Looks like that's about it. There doesn't look to be any difference. It looks like there's still an audio out port on this one, so you can plug it into an external speaker or home theater system, something like that. I don't know if you can see that here. I actually kind of like this one better, but I did want to open this up since we have this one and we're not using the old one. I wanted to open that up and show you that as well, and that's about it. So looks like another successful unboxing, and I can't wait to get my information installed on this device and start testing it out. So I appreciate you guys for sticking around for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell so you can get future notifications on the video. Also, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up on the video. You can reach us on Twitter at reviews_easy, as well as Facebook and Instagram at Easy Choice Reviews. I want to thank you again, and we'll see you in the next video.